how to see sent friend requests on Instagram. Now, let's say you want to find the friend request that you have sent on Instagram. All you have to do is to go to your profile icon on the lower corner. Click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to locate your activity and click on that. Now, just have to scroll down and click on download your information. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on download or transfer information right here and click your Instagram. After that, you just have to choose some of your information right here and locate followers and following right here. Now, after checking this box right here, all you have to do is to hit on next and click on download to device. Now, all you have to do is to create the file right here. And now you have requested to know and see the sent friend request that you have made on Instagram. Now, all you have to do is to wait for an hour or so and you will be able to see every sent friend request that you made. So that's how to see sent friend requests on Instagram. Hope we helped.